Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I want to share with you a new product I just picked up that I think is something great to have in your vehicle, no matter what you're driving. Definitely come in handy, and it could save you a lot of frustration. So let me go ahead and share what I just picked up. So it comes in handy when you have to deal with the pressures in your tire. I know sometimes you need to find a gas station to put some air in it if you're on a road trip or something like that, but I just got this from Lasfit, and it's a air inflator kit. And what I like about this is it's a super heavy duty one. It all comes in a nice little carry case. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you exactly what it looks like here. So you get this nice little case that contains it all. You got the instructions here. It's pretty straightforward. And I like this because it has a nice LCD screen on the front. Super heavy duty. It's a good weight to it. They give you the charging cord, the air tubes here. And this is pretty much how it goes. You just connect one in here, and it has, I like these, the connectors. So you screw them onto your valve stem, and you got the charging cable right there. So you can charge this thing up. And then this can plug into your 12-volt outlet in your car. But like I said, I like this. It's very basic to use. Right there, you can set what you want it at. So you change it here, what you want your pressure to be at. And then when you push start, it'll air it up to that desired pressure, which is nice. You don't have to hold it, worry about it. Has a light here as well. An emergency one here. And then what's also nice is, if you look on the top, has a USB and then USB-C. So you can charge your phones. And that connector there is for to charge it up. But I just charged this. And what's nice, you can air your tires up without having any wires connected. So it definitely works good if you're on the road. And like I said, it works as a power bank too. Charge your device up. But I like these connectors. You just screw it on there. So it's a secure fit. You don't have to worry about losing air pressure while you're trying to finagle the thing on. So right there, it's showing I have 33 pounds in this tire. Okay, I'll put it up to 34. That's all you do, and then you push the power button again and it'll turn it on. Okay, so there you go. Just let it run there. Like I said, this comes in handy. You don't have to worry about a gas station to find a place to put air in your tires. It's definitely good to have. You can keep this in your glove box. It's not so big or it won't fit in there. I would definitely recommend having these in your vehicle, because I've taken road trips before and then my tires were low, of course, and then you always have to go find a gas station and put some air in it. So that's all there is to it. Like I said, nice solid connection there. And then what's nice also, you can air up, beach balls, inflatables, things like that as well. So if you keep it in your car, and then this will allow you can run it off your car or just charge it up as well with a charging cable they give you. And it has a little indicator what the battery life's like. So I think it'll come in really handy. Like I said, I always carry one of these in my car because you just never know. And then here's the bag here for balls or like inflatables at the beach. Save you a lot of time. You can even bring it with you. That's a nice thing about it not needing a cord. You can charge it up and bring it with you and blow up beach balls or rafts, anything like that. It'll work great. And it comes in a nice little carry case, so you have everything you need with it. That's what I like about it. So if you guys are interested in this, I put a link in the description. Definitely take a look at it. It's on sale right now as well. Like I said, it's always when you need something that you don't have and gets a little frustrating. So having this in your car at all times, it could help you out. It definitely can, especially if you're going to take a road trip. So you don't have to worry about having underinflated tires or what have you. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.